Well, friends, I guess we need to welcome China to the Bitcoin world of ETFs. What's going on? Alex O Crypto here. Today we're going to look at the Bitcoin price and why we are dumping and where we could possibly land. Also, China of all places has now launched a Bitcoin. That's right, a Bitcoin ETF. So let's take a look. 3, 2, 1. And we have China launching their Bitcoin ETF.
A very big listing ceremony here today, and you can see the hitting of the gongs. We've got 3 of the issuers on stage to mark this momentous occasion as Hong Kong becomes the first in Asia to offer retail investors a chance to trade cryptocurrency ETFs at spot prices. Previously, back in 2022, we had future Bitcoin and Ether ETFs traded in the Hong Kong market since then. So this comes 3 months after the U.S. launched similar ETFs. We've got, of course, 3 issuers here, different to the likes of BlackRock and Fidelity. I got a chance to speak to one of the issuers, Harvest Global Investments CEO Tong Li Han, and I asked him whether or not he was concerned that some of the issuers in Hong Kong were not as well known as those in the U.S. This is what he had to say.
Maybe BlackRock is more well known in the Western market. However, we are more well known in the local markets, in Asia, in China, and also among the Oriental countries. So I think it will take some time to unlock the huge potential because many investors are still standing on the sideway to watch. So I'm expecting a slow start for the initial AUM growth. However, over time, we will demonstrate the special feature and the strength of our products, and the huge demand will be unlocked.
What makes Hong Kong unique here is that spot ETFs have in-kind subscription and redemption. So what that means is you can use cryptocurrency to buy these products, which is different to the United States where you have to use dollars or cash. So a big day here in the Hong Kong market, and we got all the issuers up in front, 14 products being listed on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange.
I thought that was pretty cool. I thought that was pretty interesting how, you can buy with crypto. You can buy with crypto. Interesting enough. Welcome to Bitcoin Grandma Chart. This is the iShares Bitcoin Trust BlackRock launch. So, grandma buys in, joining the Bitcoin, and kaboom. She gets rugged. 25%. Okay, I'm not saying this is gonna happen. However, it took us a while to start partying. Okay, it took us a while. We get to launch. We get to buy the rumor, sell the news, and now we pumped up and we are flagging out. Okay. What has happened to the price? Well, welcome to Bitcoin Hong Kong. Welcome. So, this is a good thing. Assets under management said to be slow. The AUM said to be slow, but it's trusted and blah 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 blah. China. It's more adoption for Bitcoin in the long run, which means more demand, which means less supply, which means higher prices in the long term. Nonetheless, you can see that we have come up and been rejected, not totally up to our golden pocket area that we were looking at. However, we have gotten that very aggressive rejection after yesterday. Okay, so we have some key levels to the bottom. We are looking for a swing failure pattern like we were talking about yesterday. And where can we expect those levels? Let's go through this top-down analysis, and hopefully we can get you guys some alpha within these markets because you know what? Everything is red right now. Everything is red right now, and it's ugly. Okay, so we want to kind of set ourselves up for success. However, the thing is with setting ourselves up for success is that, we definitely have our crazy friend, the man, the myth, the legend, Chair Powell, coming on Wednesday. Okay, so this is something to be prepared for. Is that today we got a bunch of European readings. Okay, and they've come in, and good or bad, sad or good, however they want to fudge these numbers, it's going to affect the markets. Now we have the big doozy coming in tomorrow around 2 p.m. But, we got jobs in manufacturing in the morning around 10 a.m. And then that 2:30 time is going to be very, very interesting indeed. So could it dump the markets? Could it pump the markets? We'll have to wait and find out. Today, in my opinion, is the setup day for that. Okay, so today is the day where, maybe we come down to the lows here. So we get that scare and bounce. Okay, we could be looking for that. I do believe we are still in this big flag. Okay, we are still in this beautiful, beautiful flag here. And let's see if we do maybe revisit 58,500. Okay. Oh, wouldn't that scare a lot of people? We'll get rid of that one too. But wouldn't that scare a lot of people? And we are prepared. We are prepared as a community, and as a channel, and as an investor, right? If you want to join us, feel free. We got an amazing, amazing community. Everything is free here, where we all help each other make mad money. Okay, we've been winning. Lots of imposters lately. It's kind of funny, but we go by the Otter Gang. We got people giving great trade setups. Thank you, Kyle. Yesterday, Kyle gave us all a nice little link trade setup. It banged. It didn't get to where we wanted it to, but it was a nice trade nonetheless. The levels have been working out quite nicely that I give to you guys every morning after my live stream. And then if I'm taking trades, which I haven't been lately, but I will let you guys know when I am taking trades that we do take quite a few trades, and we do make quite a good amount of money. Okay, so we have a life of freedom through trading, and hopefully you guys can join us on that journey and be part of the gang. If you like all that kind of stuff, join us, like and subscribe. And right now we do have an offer on BloFin where you can make a good amount of money just by the deposit bonuses. The link is in the description below. And we are sponsored by Market Cypher. So let's do the top-down analysis and get you guys that alpha that we are looking for. Now, we were saying yesterday, and I mentioned this in the Discord, that the daily looked bullish. Okay, so the daily was about to cross over. It was looking like this, and it was looking bullish. And I said, as long as money flow can hold, it can continue onwards and upwards. However, it is getting a bit of a rejection here. So for me, we are waiting for this to kind of bottom. Okay, we're waiting for this to try to get back up to the top here. However, we have had a little bit of a VWAP rejection coming in today, so I think the 12-hour will give us a better idea of what to expect for today. We do have all our sell walls and all our areas that we are expecting a little bit of a bounce. Okay, so let's go into our 12-hour and look from there. Looking at this, what can we see? Well, we can see that we have switched to green on the stochastics. However, we are trickling down, right? We do have a nice anchor wave and trigger wave. However, very choppy. We haven't had that pushback that we are so wanting. I think everybody is wanting this, and sometimes the markets won't give you what you want. Okay, so we need to be prepared either way. All right, so we're looking for that rounding and that continuation upwards, and that money to come back, and the money is pointing down. This isn't looking too good. Therefore, I do believe we are coming in for a liquidity sweep. Now, where's the liquidity? You can see that we do have a big loud order block / liquidity block right down here around 59,900. Okay, so that's kind of my first target if we do manage to hold this downwards channel. Okay, that's going to be the first target. So make sure that you're adding these levels to your charts so that you are ready to trade as well. So our first target, coming down to it right now, is 61,100. Okay, that's where we're coming down to right now. That's a little secret I shared with you guys on the live stream yesterday of how I found that level. And you can join us on the live stream at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go live every single day, okay? Monday to Friday. And then we have the liquidity zone down below us here, right around 59,800. So those are our levels to the downside where we're looking for a reaction on price and a bounce to the upside. Right now, 12 hours still suggesting lower. Okay, going over to the 8 hour. The 8 hour was looking bullish. However, we are getting a red dot that is printing right now and an aggressive VWAP sell-off. Okay, so this could be due to the ETF. This could be due to just a simple downwards trend. Okay, this is nothing like this is nothing new right now. We can see that we are clearly in a downwards trend. We were getting a little bit of hopium ever since we came down so aggressively, right? And then we broke trend here and we came in and made a higher high. This could still be a higher low for continuation this way. However, right now we are pointing downwards, right? So we could do another double bottom here, maybe even a long-term bullish divergence here on making a lower low and a higher high on our oscillator, something to be aware of as well. But right now we've come up and we have threatened the middle of the line here, and now we have dumped down. So this is news driven, but also correction as well to the downside. So we need to be patient here in any type of situation. We did have our inverse head and shoulders here on Market Cipher. However, we have had that little bounce that we were talking about yesterday, where we are looking for that continuation pattern where we get that anchor trigger wave. Okay, we are bottoming out here, which is nice. So this could mean we are slowly trying to reverse. Good thing is that money is close on the 4 hour. So we were oscillating above here. Now we are close to crossing over. If we do get that crossover, this could be a nice bullish reversal that we could be anticipating in the next coming days. But like I said, Wednesday is going to be a doozy with all the news. So this is setting us up for that. Going into our 1 hour, what are we looking for today? Okay, so let's pull our fib, swing high to swing low. Depending on how low we get this, we'll adjust, okay? And you can adjust this throughout your day. But we have another sell wall here coming in, so make sure that you're prepared for that. And you can see that we have come down, broken structure down below. We're coming down to this extension level that we have from yesterday. Okay, let's see if we do get a bounce from here. And that would be from swing high to swing low, 618, okay? And we are looking for that to bounce as well. So let's be patient. Let's let price come to us today. Across the alt market, you can definitely see that it is looking a bit beaten up. Okay, so if you go over here to heat maps on crypto, you can see that we have a sea of red. So a little bit of patience, a little bit of I don't know. I would just sit on your hands. Sometimes it's best to sit on your hands in a situation like this. Unless you're in a short here, I'm not looking to necessarily jump into a long. I'm looking for support to be found across the board on all the altcoins. Looking at any of these, Ethereum, okay? Looking for this support. We're coming into a buy level on Ethereum, okay? We've been going through a lot of altcoins, so Ethereum. We went through Doge. We're looking for a bounce on Doge as well, okay? We are looking for a bounce on Injective, okay? We're back at that level on Injective. This could be the bounce level for Injective as well, okay? We also have one down below here. We've been doing a lot of altcoins for you guys, just kind of giving you guys an idea. We're coming down to those retesting levels. Near as well has been strong, coming down to retest that downwards trend line. Let's see if we get there. Okay, and we did. What did we do? Gala yesterday. We were looking for a bounce from here as well. We were coming down to that trend line as well. Okay, maybe a little bit lower now. Okay, adjust that, but make sure that you are hanging with the gang. We're all here to help each other grow and make a lot of money. And we've been having some pretty awesome calls lately. Bitcoin looking like it's going to the gutter right now. This is nothing to worry about. It's just a downwards trend, and I would look for support to be found where you're getting higher lows and higher highs, okay, and a continuation. We haven't found that support as of yet. We have a couple levels here. Make sure you mark them out and that you're prepared to trade. We also have some key levels of support and resistance that we are eyeballing up here. So here we come into our level right now. Can we bounce? Let's wait and find out. Okay, I'm going to share these levels with you guys in the Discord. Let's see if we bounce off of this level as we speak. We'll go over and share this so you guys are ready and prepared before this video even comes out. That's how we roll here. We like to help you guys. We like to make sure that you guys are set up for success. Do we get the bounce here? Let's wait and find out. Much love to every single one of you guys. I'll see you guys in the Discord, and I'll see you on the live later tonight. Peace out.